And the Miami-Dade School Board meeting today to finalize outgoing Superintendent Alberto Carvalho's very last day on the job here before he leaves for Los Angeles. We're also getting an update on the search for his replacement. Local 10's Hatzel Vela is live with more for us. Hi, Hatzel.
Hi, Christy. So it looks like based on the conversations that we heard this morning, the school board here in Miami-Dade County does not want an interim superintendent. But the problem is the outgoing superintendent is out of here in early February. So these folks are going to have to act fast.
I am not in favor of a national search.
Looks like the Miami-Dade School Board wants to move quickly and find a new superintendent possibly by as early as February. Today, they set minimum requirements for the job. The person must have experience as a classroom teacher, principal, and administrator. A master's degree will be required, a doctorate preferred, and he or she must understand our diverse community and be knowledgeable of the needs of our students. Those who meet these qualifications have 7 days to send in a letter of interest and resume. Several school board members were concerned this is moving too fast. School board member Marta Perez is one of them.
It's a sham.
Perez, who has taken part in the selection of previous superintendents, alleges some on the board may already have someone in mind.
The reason that the superintendent is leaving is because of the toxic nature of the board. The board controls and wants to control the superintendent.
For others, it's a matter of time. The process, they say, has to get going.
Having an opportunity to open up that window to see who's out there, to see who's actually interested. We could have a number of individuals within this district right now.
Part of the process will allow for community input. The teachers union has already put out a survey trying to get a sense of what type of person they want.
It is going to be quick, it is going to be intense, and I think that as long as people know what is happening, and obviously they are being transparent, that is going to have to be very necessary.
So it's fair to say that in about 7 days we should have a list of the applicants. Then the board will meet and decide how to move forward and which candidates are qualified. We'll be there, of course, and let you know when that next meeting takes place. For now, reporting live in Miami, I'm Hatzel Vela, Local 10 News.